Welcome to the Sunsynk Wireless CT Single-Phase Install Quick Start Guide. Place the CT onto the live wire, ensuring the arrow direction is towards the inverter. Make sure the communication cable in the inverter connects the meter and the LoRa communication ports. Connect the power supply and the CT coil data connection to the unit. Now reassemble the unit. Turn the power on and go to the menu settings. Select the LoRa channel option. Then select Scan Channel to locate a new device. Go to the menu settings on the inverter and select Smart and then Smart TX. Select the channel you wish to use, then press Enter and enter your password.